The exchange program is between Turkey and Kenya, where Turkish through the TICA have agreed to invest in production of animal feeds in various parts of this country, mostly in the ASAL counties, where land is plenty. It's only that utilization should be done of the land to produce the animal feeds. It will be a two-tie system or a three-tie system whereby the national government research section in the Ministry of Agriculture and Irrigation will utilize the Department of Agriculture and Research so that we can have scientists from Kenya partner with the Turkish scientists.
We'll get together as livestock producers to be able to create a national platform where we can negotiate as a united voice.